Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish brown. The backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear across the screen.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Vashaun Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC and brand ambassador of the Debonair You. And listen while my alarm on my phone goes off, telling me I need to change my sensor. Listen, this video is raw and uncut. Do you hear me? And I mean it, man. I'm talking about the video itself. It hasn't been cut. This box right here that I'm about to open up with this saw, I'm opening this up with this saw, has not been cut, and my hair has not been cut. Now you guys know me. I'm talking about for decades. I don't do nothing, go nowhere without a haircut. But I'm so excited to introduce this fragrance to you in this box right here. Man. So listen, I'm gonna be right back with the unboxing of something special. Cedrat Boise Intense.
Various images of Vashaun Jones, an African-American bald man sitting down in his music studio with keyboards, microphone, saxophone, computer screen, soundproofing materials on the walls. The words look good, smell good, feel good attached to each image. Final image of Vashaun, he is outside holding a white cane wearing all white with the words Debonair You by Fedora Outlier LLC.
All right, so while my office is a mess and I unbox the unboxing of the unbag, because I already know what's inside, you guys don't, because you probably didn't hear me at the end of my first video, the introduction to this. But yeah, this is actually a saw. You see that? It's a saw. It's part of my EDC knife. I'm opening up the first box. And I'm telling you, this is a summer. Is this what they call that AMSR stuff? Like you hear, that thunder? Man, this is the perfect day. Come on, this is just a bag. Why are you giving me such? All right, so we unbox the first box. We're gonna sit that box down. We're gonna take the saw, which is kind of like overkill for this plastic. And I'm like, your boy Big Beard B on YouTube, as far as boxes are concerned. You guys know what he say if you watch his channel. All right, hold on. This is an unboxing, unwrapping, and then a unboxing, and then a unbagging. You guys are gonna see what I'm saying in a minute. All right, so we did the unboxing, we did the two unwrappings. Now we're gonna take this thing out. It don't really matter, because like my boy Big Beard say, you say, screw that box, baby. All right. The unbag, the leather bag. This is Mancera's Cedrat Boise Intense. Cedrat Boise Intense. Man, listen here. This is the thing of the summer. Now, if you guys have not smelled this, like me, I'm about to smell it for the first time now. You guys know I do my little half sprays. Oh yeah. Like I knew. This is a alarm going off. This is one of my fragrances for the summer that I anticipated getting. Came out about a month ago, depending on when you're reading this. This is June 27th. Man, fresh smelling, very, very fruity, very, very transportive, if you will. This thing takes me to just chilling, lounging on a day like today. It's raining. I just want to smell good, uplifting, free, like I am now, just around the house and getting stuff done, and want to make sure that I'm in great spirits. This is the fragrance, Cedrat Boise Intense by Mancera. And get you guys a hold of a decant of this. This is the Cedrat to Parfum. They got the Cedrat Boise EDT, the Parfum. This is the Cedrat to Parfum, the highest concentration of this fresh smelling Mancera fragrance. Now listen, a lot of times fragrance reviewers, and I'm not that, by the way, the notes of the fragrance is in the description, courtesy of Christy. But what I am telling you is that looking good, feeling good, and smelling good should be a key focal point of your life. And Vashaun Jones, I takes it overboard. I overdo it, so you can never say that it has not been done. Do you understand me? But get you a decant. Check out our affiliate link over at Set Split. And what you're able to do is take a bottle like this without the bag, get it into a smaller bottle, kind of like what you get at the mall. As a matter of fact, exactly like what you get at the mall when the ladies handing out samples. You get to try it on your skin, you get to work it out for yourself, and you get to decide, spending $6 or $7, whether you want to spend $200 on a bottle of this Cedrat Boise Intense. Okay? All right, so listen, man, look good, feel good, smell good, get a haircut, the box, and let's change the world, and let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange, all uppercase, appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.